Hello, ho, ho, everybody. Sorry, couldn't help it. It's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we've got a very special festive box. I know that you're seeing this the day after Christmas. Currently, it's the day of Christmas Day. So, we're going to open a very special box. Want to see what it is? Magic at your door, and it's not just your average magic at your door. This is a Christmas box with a tree topper and ornaments. We're going to dive into this coming up right now. All right. Let's see what we got going on here. So this was a last minute box that Mike put together. I was asleep at the wheel when it came to the other normal Christmas box, and I told him that I could really use some more ornaments to finish out my Disney Christmas tree. And he put something together for us. So let's take a look. Ready? Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna put this down here. You like my belt? I think I got these from Magic at Your Door last Christmas. Alright. After this, I've got a couple things, a couple cards that we got from you guys too, so we'll do that too. Alright, here we go. I almost threw an ornament. Let us begin. I think I'm going to start with the tree topper because I know which one it is. He had a couple and I chose this one because it's a more retro look. It's in here and the front's open, but it's going to have a lot of glare, so I'm going to snap it out of there. Look at these two cuties. So this... doesn't it have just a much more retro look? I like it. Let me put this in the photo box so you can get a better look at it. Boop. I just really like that one. And we needed one. Oh, they got cute little tails on them. Very cool. Alright. What is this? Oh, we got one of these last year too. It's a different one though. I don't know that I want to open it. So this is Jungle Book, and it's an ornament and lithograph. It's like it's a ceramic ornament. I will, I don't think I opened the other one either. You know what? Maybe I did. Yeah, you know what? Forget it. I'm gonna hang it on the tree anyway. So there's a little better look of it. And then I will get a better shot in the photo box so it's a little brighter. Boop. Very cool. Alright. There's one loose on top. Oh, that's cute. So this is from the parks. It's $14.99 and it's a Mickey Ears hat from the Wilderness Adventurers, right? Yeah, from up. But it says WE. What is it? Wilderness Explorers. That's what it is. I knew I'd get there. Very cute. Throw that in the photo box. Boop. I got this shirt this morning from my daughter Camille. Thank you, Camille. All right, and the snaps begin. Oh yeah, this one's right up my alley. Hatbox Ghost from Haunted Mansion. That is super cool. $21.99 in the parks. Hand painted. He's looking awesome. Throw him in the photo box. Boop. Nice. This is pretty much going to fill our tree up, I think, by the time we get through this one. That'll be pretty cool. I hope you guys all had a good Christmas. I know I did. Ready? Look at Donald! So he's in the shape of a Mickey ears hat. He's got a life preserver and a porthole for ears. This is $24.99 in the parks. There's even water in the porthole. That's cool. Throw him in the photo box. Boop. Very cool. Moving right along. There's a bunch of them in here. It's Figment! I know that Figment is a controversial character. Most people either love him or hate him. I love Figment. I do like the original ride better, but I still like going on Figment, you know what I mean? It's a cute ride. And Mary's starting to like Figment now too, huh? Yep. Very cute, holding on to some presents, got his Christmas outfit on. This is... Dinner's almost ready. No price. I'll throw him in the photo box. Boop! You gotta admit, he's pretty cute, even if you don't like him as a person. Alright. That was a... Holy cow, this one's huge! It says good tidings on both sides. I think it's... Yeah, it's glass. Oh, I'm gonna break that. Look at how cool that is, and it's got like iridescent glass. Very nice. Throw it in the photo box. Boop. This is $21.99, and it is not a toy. It's a decorative item only. Fragile, made of glass. There you go. Super cool. It's Constance Hatchaway from the Haunted Mansion. Look at that. How cool is that? This is $21.99 in the park. That is awesome. I'll throw it in the photo box. Boop. Ah, dig it. Oh, I can see this one through the packaging. It's a Magic Kingdom key. Walt Disney World. Super shiny chrome. $19.99 in the parks. I love it. Oh, and it's even got little gems around the key right there. And of course, the hidden Mickey in the key. It's not so hidden, it's right there, but very cool. Let me throw that in the photo box. Boop. I love it. Alright, we got 2 left. Let us begin. This one actually has my name on it. That's scary. Let's see what this is. Now I see why it has our last name on it. It's not for me, it's for Mary. She is very excited to see Pooh and Piglet. A little bit of snow on top of it too. That is super cool. Let's see here. $16.95 in the park. That is cool. Mary is thrilled. Put that in the photo box. Boop. It's probably gonna have a lot of fingerprints on it. And finally, before I open this, while I have you, check out our Facebook group, Disney Dynamicks, just like the channel spelt. And also check out Magic at Your Door's Facebook group, spelt just like Magic at Your Door. We will link down in the description so that you could join those. Great group of people in both groups. And check it out. Alright, here we go. Last one. This one is incredible. Mr. Toad. That is so cool. For some of you who are too young to have ever seen it in Disney World and haven't been to Disneyland, Mr. Toad's Wild Ride is an interesting ride. It's super cute and super cheesy, and in the end, because you stole a car, you go to hell. But that's Disney, so I love the ride though. It's one of those must-dos, you know. Oh, that one's super cool. 1995 in the park. I love it. Thank you, Mike, and 001. I almost said 007. I'm alright. Boop. So awesome. We got Tree Topper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ornaments, and one of them is in that book with the lithograph. I love it. So again, check out the Facebook groups. If you'd like to get your own Magic at Your Door box and you've never gotten one before, we will have a link in the description down below. Click on that link, it will take you to their specific site, and you can enter our promo code to save yourself $10 on your first box. Check it out. All right, I think that's it. I really hope you had a great Christmas. I did. I'm really hoping for a better year this year. We are currently working on picking out a cruise just for something to do. I don't know. I'm hoping to do a lot of Disney this year, but I don't want to risk not taking a trip at all. And so we're going to book that for now, and we'll go from there. But hopefully we'll get some Disney footage. Oh, that's right. Thank you. I forgot. I said I was going to do this. So in our P.O. box, we received this one from Sammy Jones. And it is a picture of their, what is it, chinchillas? Yes, chinchillas and a dog. I'll put this in the photo box so you can see how cute this picture is. Boop. So it says, Chris and Mary, we stalk you on Facebook. Thank you. Instagram and YouTube. Yeah, follow us on Instagram too. We love your the way you talk. We love your honesty about products and of course all the boops you include in your video. We were sad when you went on hiatus due to COVID and hope you feel 100% better by Christmas. I do. We hope you enjoy our card and it brings joy to you as much as you bring joy to your subscribers. Thank you so much. Thanks for making it up for all the lost time with your videos you are posting. For more adorable pictures of Tyson and his chinchilla siblings, Princess Peach, Princess Daisy, Princess Fluffy Butt, Alice, Stitch, Rex, and Sven, check us out on Instagram at, excuse me, I can't talk. Maybe I'm not better yet. Colony_626. Haha, 626. I will link your Instagram down below if people want to check it out. Thank you so much for sending us a Christmas card and for being a subscriber and watching us. The other one I was going to read, but I'm actually not going to read this one. We sent something to a subscriber, and it was just a thank you note that they sent back that meant a lot to us, and they were just going through a tough time. So, you know who you are, and thank you for sending us the thank you card. We really appreciate it. All right, now I'm done. Merry Christmas, and I hope you're having a great holiday.